Hi, I'm Carrie, and I had a knee replacement last year. My knee, I had no cartilage left, and all the ligaments were destroyed. And I had knee surgery when I was 16 to remove the meniscus, so it was years of walking bone on bone. My range of motion was about minus 10 extension to 80 flexion, and I had pain every day. I was not able to do any bike riding or hiking or skiing or any of the activities that I normally did. And I found Dr. Stone after a lot of research and came out to California and had my knee replaced 1 year ago. And now I have full range of motion, no pain, and I can hike, bike, ski. I've returned to all activities without pain or swelling. Most days I forget I even have the knee replacement. So physical therapy was a great experience here. All the therapists are very knowledgeable, and they worked really well with me to not only make you comfortable and pain-free, but also teach you a good workout routine to continue once you leave here. I'm a PT assistant, so I knew a lot about therapy coming into it, so these are top-notch therapists. Dr. Stone is great. He walks you through every step of the way. The MRI and X-ray and everything here is on site. So from start to finish, Dr. Stone oversees everything, and it's been a great experience, and I don't regret anything. It's changed my life. I'm back doing everything I want to do.